Here we will discuss about what is dropshipping and how it works in our life. So first of all, life at Shopify and Shopify career. So culture is the product of strong values and purpose, empathetic leadership, and a place where all people feel they belong. Next, people first. We care about people who work with us. Then he's saying that Shopify allow me to do my best work. Confirmation skills, creativity, scale of impact. Our product helps millions of merchants worldwide. What they love to do, there are no small problem at Shopify. Every project you touch will have a real impact on the merchant livelihoods, and that make our work incredible fulfilling. Propelled by ambition, learn with the best. Propelled by ambition, we are growing quickly and like a rocket ship. We show no signs of slowing down. We want to define the future of entrepreneurship, be a 100-year company and the global engine that powers e-commerce. Next, why Shopify is interested in journey our resume. How Shopify helped me create a global shift from Canada. By stage cover. And next, let's make commerce better for everyone. Here are some programs: affiliate, Shopify partner program, open a store. It's a ways, or you can call it steps, 5 steps you follow. And first of all, affiliate program, grow your brand with Shopify and access exclusive opportunities through our referral program. Shopify app help us build the future of commerce, become a third-party app developer. Partner program, partner with Shopify and offer your clients the industry-leading commerce solution. And open a store. How here we will discuss about it, how we can open a store on Shopify. Start your entrepreneurial journey today. Become a Shopify merchant. Here you have to sign up to make your portfolio on Shopify. Next, here affiliate program. Here we can access more information. Shopify app, learn about Shopify app, partner program, here we can learn about partner program, and here we can sign up.